Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechMechanic. In this video I will show how to repair bicycle. Look at this socket jobber, or this suspension are um, accidentally this sometime something bend, so I will fix it simply. So let's go this start this video. um, so guys, this is a screwdriver, okay, and I this is, and this is the key, Allen key, okay. Okay, just simply here, okay, just easily I will fix it. Okay, that's good. Now I'll tighten. Okay, okay guys, now it good, and finally this fixed. Okay, now it's fixed, and is this. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe TechMechanic YouTube channel. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.